Mm, my name is Lady Milena Cerquera Castellanos. Model Canvas Company in Colombia. The model is composed of 9 blocks that represents the main areas involved in a routine business and as to contemplate and detail as for the involvement of business model. Next, there is a 6. This model has several pillars where the company can enter to create and convert value through increased support for the knowledge of the market needs that you want to emphasize the potential customer segment tip and the added value of the product. That means that will be offered for the product to reach the final buyer. The value proposition is important to reflect on the customer's great choice of the product and now another one that is currently on the market, whether it is the product or service. Next, compañero Mike.
Good evening, classmates. My name is Myronipia. I will present in Steam and Jones channel. Meet the need of our consumer, the company seeks to strengthen the bond and through with our customer. Generally, strategy and that allow us to establish sustainable relationship or optimity and innovation context. Question relationship. The company has four distribution channels that are 1. The traditional channel that are the store. 2. One services channel that are the large store supermarket. 3. There is one of sal of Colombina mini market in the main cities of Colombia. 4. Distributors are responsibly or reserving point on where the company or distribution network is not covered. I agree with our pro side in the Canvas model. Then, next, Danny.
Hello, my name is Dani Gisela Galindez. Is this opportunity is will present the key resources and the sources or income streams of the Canvas model for the Colombian company of Cauca. I am in favor of this Canvas model because 1. The activities and the value proposition understandable. 2. It can be analyzed that the Colombian company is viable. 3. It is an innovative model. Thank you. Next, Samuel.
Hi, my name is Samuel Bosequillo Mensa, and the topics I will present from the Canvas model are the following: key activities and key partners. My model argument. Number 1. The model allows to in the structure way the business segments to be introduced in the production process of the company. Number 2. It allows to identify the cost structure to be taken into account when planning in the innovation project. Number 3. The analysis of the model helps to know that the company is an opportunity to the project to be implemented. Next, Lucio.
Hello, I am Lucille Angulo. That would be one question strengthening the customers. I am in favor of this mortgage protection because it helps